Now if we move on to part C, then we had to find this area this time. So once again we've got the limit here of 0 because it's the y-axis. And then to find the x-intercept, set the equation equal to 0 and solve. X4 minus x is 0, so 0 and also 4. And the equation was 4x minus x squared. So if we go ahead and integrate, integral of 4x is 4x squared over 2, which when you simplify gives you 2x squared. Integral for x squared is x cubed over 3 between 4 and 0. So 2 times 4 squared, 2 times 16 is 32. 4 cubed is 64 over 3 is 64 over 3. I'm just going to leave it like that for now. And if we plug in 0 into that formula, 2 times 0 squared is 0. 0 cubed over 3 is also 0. So actually it's just this part here. 32, if we times top and bottom by 3, we get 96 over 3. So therefore when we subtract those two things, we're going to end up with 32 over 3. Or with 3's into 32 go 10, remainder 2, so we could also say 10 and 2/3. But use your fraction button on your calculator to help you with some of that stuff. Now for D, it says quite clearly the limits are negative 1 and 1, so we just got to look what the equation is. So 3x squared plus 2x plus 4. So when we go ahead and integrate that, the integral for 3x squared is x cubed. The integral for 2x is 2x squared over 2, which is just x squared. And the integral for 4 is 4x. So between 1 and negative 1, so 1 cubed is 1, 1 squared is also 1, 4 times 1 is 4. So in our first set of parentheses we've got 6. And when we plug negative 1 in, negative 1 cubed is negative 1, 1 squared is 1, and 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. So negative 1 plus 1 is 0, take away 4 is negative 4, and 6 take away negative 4 would give us 10. So there's our answers to C and D as well.